Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I had the Fox out. I figured might as well try a different area and make another video for you guys. I'm gonna hit the rocks in that other area that's all dug up from the construction. So let's do it. Oh! The fox flies! Literally flies. Ah! That wasn't good. I don't want to break it. I'm not going too crazy. Oh! This is too powerful, this freaking thing. I'm gonna break it. I know it. That was a nice one. Ah, look at me, I broke it. Nope. Alright, that's enough of the wood a wood chip pile. That's enough of the rock. Thing's crazy on the rocks. Just flies. It's so light and powerful. And it just flies. Oh! I'm getting the hell out of this spot before I break it if it ain't broken already. Holy smokes. Fox is powerful. See? That's how powerful it is. You gotta ease on the throttle when you got a high grip surface. This goes wheelie. Let's try something. Try this way. That's nice. Alright, let's try this area. This is a dusty spot. Let me clean the lens off. Oh! Thing's a beast. Now it'll do wheelies. Oh! Climbs right up these hills like nothing. Oh, not that. Oh my God! I think I broke it. Oh yeah. Oh no, the shock came off. Oh, it just popped off. Let's see. That was a vicious cartwheel. I think that's the first time I... Oh, yeah, the shock popped off. Alright, I'm gonna play easy with this guy. There she is. That's what it looks like inside. Going too nuts. Pretty awesome. Thanks. Going too crazy with it. Serious power. I know, it's ridiculous. You can't even drive it.
What's that cost?
I think they're like 500.
Yeah?
Yeah. And I've been using it. It's like dead now. I've been running it for a while. Make videos on YouTube. It's like, it just does wheelies all the time.
Get it online or?
Yeah, they have these online. You can go to like Tower Hobbies, Horizon Hobbies, A-Main Hobbies. That's crazy.
How long's the battery last?
I must have been running it for at least probably 12 minutes already. Oh, it's
awesome.
Crazy. Thanks. That guy liked it. Oh! This fox would be nuts. Freaking thing. Oh, that gotta hurt. That was bad, guys. Oh my god. That was a bad hit. Oh my god. Did it break? Everything looks like it's intact. Holy crap, guys. That's it for today. I really gave this one hell. Hope you enjoyed this video. This thing's sick. All these KYOSHO monster trucks with this chassis here, the Mad series, the Mad Force and all them. So much power, and they're so light, they just freaking go crazy. It's unbelievable. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I'll see you next time. Steve Ash, NRC. Time to bring this bad boy home and clean her up. She's still got gobs of power. It's crazy. Oh. Oh. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave the likes and comments. Helps the channel out. See you later.